I am Legoland Billund. I'm the very first Legoland park in the world. I opened in 1968, right next to where Lego was born. There are over 60 million Lego bricks used across the park. That's a whole Lego universe. Miniland is built at a scale of 1 to 20. It's like walking through a tiny Lego world. Even the tiniest Lego bricks here get cleaned by hand to keep everything looking perfect. Real Lego designers work here every day to build and fix the amazing models you see. The tiny trains, boats, and cars in Miniland actually move, just like a real city. I'm built right next to where the very first Lego bricks were created. Legoland Billund was designed so kids and adults can explore and play together. Many Lego models here are rebuilt and updated every year to stay fresh and detailed. Millions of visitors from around the world come here every year to experience the magic of Lego.